Right, well, as you can see, I am leaving Dunstafnage for the last time as a berth holder. I'm no doubt I'll be back at some point in the future because it really is a lovely marina to stay in. So the reason why I'm leaving is because my winter contract is coming to an end in about 7 days time, and I'm moving to a new marina for the summer. Where am I going? Well, keep watching, you'll find out very, very soon. So not a lot of wind right now. It is very early in the morning. The sun has just come up. It's just gone 6 o'clock. And it's great to be out on the water at such an early time. It's going to be a nice sunny day today as well. So looking forward to this little solo sail down to the new marina for the summer. I've got no fender monkeys today, so I've got to do this all by myself. Well, as you can see, there is a beautiful sunrise over Oban this morning. I've put the mainsail up, but we've got about 1 knot of wind at the moment, and I think we're probably creating most of that. So, a very still morning, motoring down to the new marina. Where am I going? Well, you'll find out soon. But I do have to time my approach to this new marina because of the tides in the area where it's located. That's all I'm going to say for now. But look at this stunning sunrise over Oban. Don't forget, if you're enjoying this video, please do the usual, like and subscribe. And for real-time updates and behind the scenes photos, follow Sailing Madness over on Facebook. Yes, I know I'm being a lazy sailor. I've not put the fenders away, but I'm only sailing for a couple of hours and I'll need them again. So they're up on the deck. I know that's bad seamanship. One other problem we've had this morning is the gas bottle ran out just as we were making our early morning cup of tea at 5 o'clock. Changed the gas bottle and now I can't get the gas to come on. Small world problems, I know, but when you're on a boat on your own and you want a coffee, that's a problem, big problem. Right, so I've been going about an hour. As you can see, not really a lot of changing conditions. This sail up here is doing sweet FA, but making steady progress. Just to give you an idea of where we are, I'm looking straight ahead to Kierera. I pronounced that wrong in a previous video and I got told off for it, so I think that's right. Okay, so that's Kierera over there. Over this way, you can just see the start of the Sound of Mull. This is Mull here. Lady Rock Lighthouse is just over there. I'm not sure you can pick that out on the camera or not, but as you can see, it's still dead calm. Let's just spin you around so you can see Kierera. But we're making good progress. We are heading down there. We are heading down the Firth of Lorne. Now there's a clue. Any ideas yet where we're going? Where is our summer marina for 2025? Well, keep watching, you'll find out soon. But as you can see, there's absolutely no wind. So we're going to be motoring all the way. Been playing around with the gas, still can't get the gas to come on. New bottle, it's just not playing ball. I think I might need a new regulator. Well, that was a lovely little interaction with dolphins. Oh, they're back again. Here we go. I thought they'd gone. Well, that was a nice little interaction. I think they were bottlenose dolphins, I think, not the small little common ones. But they stayed around for a few minutes. That was nice to see them. Brightened up my morning. I've been playing around with the gas. I've got a little bit of gas coming through now. It's not coming through as powerful as what it should be, but I think I've got enough gas to make a nice coffee, so that's what I'm going to go and do now, unless the dolphins decide to come back. No, I think they've gone. Right, so we've been going about 2 hours. As you can see, I managed to get the gas sorted-ish, enough to boil some milk, so I've got my latte. Just had a little interaction with dolphins a little while ago. That was lovely to see them. They came and said good morning. And as you can probably see behind me, that's still the island of Mull. So we haven't quite cleared the southern tip of Mull yet. I'm looking over there to an island called Inish Island, and in the distance you can just about see the island of Seal. Up ahead is Jura in the haze, in the morning haze. We're going to be doing a little turn to port shortly so that we keep Jura to our starboard side, and slowly but surely we are making our way to the new Marina. Still got a couple of hours to go, no rush, got the tide in our favour, so we're cruising along doing about 6 knots. Okay, so we're just about to make our turn to head down the Sound of Lewing. The actual island of Lewing is on our port side, and what you can see in the distance, I believe the big tall mountains are on Jura. Just in front of that though is some smaller islands, and one of them is Scarborough. Well, our speed is going up and up and up. We're now doing 10 knots, but look how confused the sea is. So as you can see, we are absolutely flying down the Sound. Got a nice bit of tide with us. For a while, as you saw, we were doing over 10 knots. Slowed down a little bit now, but we're still doing 7.5 knots speed over ground. That sail is doing absolutely nothing. The wind is actually on the nose now, so I think I'll just put the sail away in a minute. No point in having that flogging around for the rest of the journey. So we're heading towards Doris Moor, which is the part of the journey that I need to do before the tide turns, because the current runs through there at 8 knots. You don't want to be going against that. So this is the Corrie of Ekin up here. The famous Corrie of Ekin. If you've done a lot of sailing in Scotland, then you know exactly what that's all about. But got about 29 minutes or so, half an hour till I get to Doris Moor, and then I'm not far away from the Marina. So if you've done some sailing in Scotland, you know exactly where I'm going. You probably worked that out a long time ago. But it's been a great sail. Got a bit of wind now actually, so I've still got the main out. I was going to put it away, but I'm glad I didn't. It's helping us along. We've slowed down 5.5 knots, but we've still got the tide with us for now, which is going to take us around Doris Moor. We need to get through there before 11:30. That's when it comes back this way, and that's when it can run at 8 knots at Springs. We're not at Springs now, so it would be less than that, but it still wouldn't be any fun trying to get around then, even at Neeps. We're not quite at Neeps, but we're heading towards Neeps. So it's been a great day sail. Hopefully Sarah, my wife, is going to be there already. She drove in the car from Dunstaffnage, so I think when I get in she should be there. I know she's been following me on Find My Friends, so she should be able to see where I am. And then I think it's time for some lunch and another coffee. And tonight, a pint of Guinness in the pub. I hope it's open. Not looked at that actually. Galley of Lawn, that's where we're going. The Galley of Lawn pub in Ardfern. Been there a couple of times before. If you watched the sailing videos from a couple of years ago when I was up here with Robin, we had a couple of nights in there. Some good beer, some good Guinness. Please be open tonight, I need it. So this is it then, this is the famous Doris Moor. And been a bit confused, but I think we're through the worst of it now. Picked up a bit of wind as well, and our speed picked up quite a lot as well before we got the wind, so we're doing about 9 knots again. So this is it, this is all Doris Moor. Just got to turn that corner now and go up there to our new marina. Right, just turned the corner at Doris Moor. Needed to make that turn and got through Doris Moor before 11:30. That's when the tide turns against me, so did that with about an hour and 20 minutes to spare. So I'm now heading up Loch Craig Niche to the new marina where the boat is going to be living for the summer. Got about 30 minutes to go, and the scenery around here is just as beautiful as what it was up in the Oban area. Take a look at this. Got a little bit of wind helping to push us along here as well, on a nice beam reach with 10 knots of wind. And there you have it. Thoroughly enjoyed my little motor sail to my new home for the summer. And if you've not worked it out yet, this is Ardfern Yacht Centre. Now I've been here before with Robin. We stayed here for a couple of nights last year. It's a fabulous marina, well located for sailing south down to Gir, Jura and Islay. Plus it's an ideal base for sailing north towards Skye and the Outer Hebrides, islands I plan to visit later this year. After passing the breakwater, I made my way to the pontoon where Sarah was waiting to take my lines, at the second time of asking. Her journey in the car was only 45 minutes from Dunstaffnage, but in that time she still managed to somehow smash her phone on a beach while taking photos. Oh, and if you want to see those photos, head over to Sailing Madness on Facebook.
Let's look at my pretty sick form. Not enjoy it, so
oh dear,
a little bounce down the rocks. So the home button doesn't work at all. Don't do nothing.
Don't do nothing.
So I'll have to get a new phone on Friday, which is a pain in the arse, isn't it?
Cuckoo! And that just about does it for Dave for today. If you're still here watching at the end, then you must have enjoyed this episode, so please remember to hit the like button and consider subscribing. You'll be doing us a big favour by helping us reach more viewers, as the more likes and subscriptions we get, the more likely YouTube is to recommend us to people who may not have found us yet. And if you've got any comments or questions, please put them in the box below. Finally, if you'd like real-time updates, ad-free episodes and exclusive behind-the-scenes content, then head over to Patreon and join the Sailing Madness Patreon crew. Click the the link in the description below for more details. Until next time, thanks for watching. Oh, and if you've not seen them yet, don't forget to check out some of our previous episodes.